205 Ruby Lane sits on a level lot near Crown Lake. The living room has a wood-burning fireplace. There is new flooring throughout. It has been painted inside and out. The kitchen has a new island with cabinet storage. There's also a pantry in the kitchen. The cabinets have been painted. There is a new laundry room that's inside the home versus out in the carport. It has a carport plus additional parking beside the carport. It is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath home. The main bath has a roll-in shower for handicap accessible, and the primary bedroom has its own private 3/4 bath. The home has a new roof that was put on in December. The heat and air is only about a year old. It is a heat pump, and the lot next door happens to be vacant for a little bit of privacy. The home is all electric except the wood-burning fireplace. This home is in the city limits of Horseshoe Bend, so you have city water, septic, and the electric is provided by NAEC or North Arkansas Electric Co-op, and they also provide fiber optic internet. So that is through Next under NAEC.